Hello friends. The banking and financial services sector is an integral part of the economy and markets. In India, the BFSI sector is an index heavyweight and has seen steady rise in weightages. In fact, within the top 500 listed companies, the share of BFSI companies has risen both in numbers and market capitalization. The size and scale of the Indian banking sector landscape can be gauged from a 171 lakh crore rupees loan book and a 217 lakh crore rupees deposit base. Within the BFSI sector, India's credit needs have been largely fulfilled by banks, which have a 76% market share. But NBFCs are gaining share too at around 20%. Private sector banks have in the last decade gained market share from state-owned banks, both in loans and deposits. Banking penetration has risen steadily, but we believe that there is still room for growth. In fact, post the introduction of Jan Dhan accounts, savings account penetration has also risen considerably in the last decade. On the credit side, households are driving credit demand. The share of corporates in overall credit has moderated, and this is reflected in the steady rise of retail loans in total credit. Now let's look at profitability as well. Indian banks have seen many challenges in the past decade. Now, despite all these challenges, banks have recorded healthy growth in operating profit in the past 5 years. Bank balance sheets are in good shape with high provisioning coverage, healthy capital ratios, and asset quality has improved. Now, no discussion on banks can be complete without focusing on technology. The share of financial services in global AI spends is on the rise, and in India too, technology adoption has risen considerably. It is happening across various services and verticals, for example, data analytics, credit bureaus, account aggregators, NPL management, and of course, customer experience. Today, the value of total digital transactions has increased 5x to 261 lakh crore rupees in the past 5 years. In conclusion, we can truly say that the journey of banks and NBFCs in India is a fascinating and an ever-evolving one. Remember, a healthy banking system is a cornerstone of a healthy economy. Thank you. Stay safe.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.